Hey guys, it's Table Play, your trading buddy. So welcome to this episode of TA Daily Updates. Yeah, in our channel, and this video will be updated daily. Where, as usual, we'll be selecting two counters in Malaysia stock market. Yeah, either the potential one or those who are needed to be taking extra concerns. We will select two and analyze for you in this video. Yeah, so it will be around a 10 minutes video that you can watch daily, and make sure you subscribe our channel so that you won't miss our daily updates. All right, so drag down of this video right now and click the subscribe button if you haven't do so. All right, okay, so the counters for today is CYL, yeah, CYL, and also ARTRONIQ, as you can see in the picture. And the reason of the CYL is in green color and ARTRONIQ is in red color. Normally I put this in the way that green color means that there is still potential for you to trade or invest. Then for red color is some kind of warning or something negative signal that you need to take note. All right. So without further ado, let's get into the chart for today. All right. Okay, so firstly, before we get into our individual counters, so as usual, I will cover a little bit on the indices performance for today. All right. So today is 3rd of January. It's the first trading day of 2023, and yup, I have made a review on 2022, the stock market of last year, and also some forecast video for 2023 in my last video. If you haven't watched the video, please make sure you click into my channel and watch the video right now, or maybe after this video. All right. Okay, so now look at the chart of our FBM KLCI. All right, so this is a daily chart. Okay, so this candle, this red candle that you see over here is the candle for today's market. It's a candle that is open low with a gap down and also close almost at the lowest. So it's clearly not a good candle, not a nice candle, and not a good signal for our stock market as the first opening day of the year. All right, so I have mentioned in last video that the first day performance of the year normally will reflect the performance of the whole year in a general. All right, since that for the first day you can see it closed in red and with a gap down, would it be repeating the history that I see for the last few years? So we shall review back at the end of this year. All right. So you can see from here the chart of FBN KLCI. Although today it closed at the lowest, but then in overall formation, you can see the chart of KLCI is still looking okay because it's still supported above the MA line itself. Then the performance is still above the previous low. Okay, the support level is around here. Okay, so it's still above the MA support and also the previous low support. So far, except the candle is a little bit ugly, there's nothing much for us to worry too much, just that you need to take care of the support and also the risk of your counters that you're holding. All right, then besides the KLC index, let's take a look at the small cap index as well. Okay, the reason why I look at the small cap index is because most of the traders or investors, we are not buying those very big cap, right? That those above 10 ringgit or 20 ringgit. Most of the type of counters that we buy are those between 50 cent to 2 ringgit. Yeah, so that's considered as a small cap or mid cap. So the reason I'm looking at this small cap index is because this index is actually reflecting the sentiment of the trading in the market. All right, so normally you can see when there's around this period, all right, when the small cap index is very bullish, then the sentiment of trading, you can see it's very active, it's very bullish, most of the stock are going up. Yeah, so that's the time. So when now you can see that the candlestick of the small cap index is starting to break the support. All right, firstly it break the support of MA10, then break the support of MA35, and for today it failed to recover above the support. All right, so it's not a good sign. Then the sentiment might go weaker if the small cap index continue to goes down. All right. So for those who are doing intraday or you're doing contra or day trade, you need to be extra concerned on this because as we know, experienced trader will know that the sentiment of the market is everything when you're doing the contra or day trade. All right. Okay, so I've covered a little bit on the index performance. Next, we go into our counters for today. All right. The first one is so-called the CYL. Okay, CYL today is performing quite good. Okay, you can see that it opened higher and closed almost at the highest at the price of $1.15. Okay, so the reason I putting CYL in this video is because comparing with some others very bullish stock, right? The CYL itself is considered as potential stock that I think is quite having the chance to go higher to challenge the previous high, which is somewhere around this line. Okay, it's because that you can see, firstly, you can see the candlestick are supported quite well on the support of MA25, the red line over here. That's the first thing. And the second thing is, since the price hit the highest of 1 ringgit and 30 cent on November last year, then the share price is actually quite sustained above the high price range. All right, because after hit the resistance, then it fall back a little bit, but then it didn't goes down further, and instead is supported at the support of MA25. Okay, so after it took the rest of around 1 month plus, so I think it seems to gaining some bullish momentum after the absorbing all the selling pressure, as it seems to gaining some bullish momentum to continue to goes up again. All right. So there are two things that you need to monitor over here if you want to trade this counter. The first one is you make sure the price is still supported above the line of MA. That's the first thing. The second thing is it might challenge the previous resistance of 1 ringgit and 34 cent. Then that's the main resistance. Then you need to see whether it's able to break the resistance or not. If it's unable to break the resistance, then it might retrace again to find the next support. All right. Then of course, if it's able to break the resistance, then it's another new high again. All right. So yeah. So that's my brief analysis on the counter CYL. All the best. And the second one is ARTRONIQ. All right. So if you're new to the technical analysis, you must be seeing this kind of chart. You might be thinking that it's very bullish chart, right? Because you see a lot of green candles, over here. You must be thinking it's very bullish. Yes, it is bullish. There's no wrong over here. But then you need to think that this kind of counter, what we call it is so-called the syndicated counter. Yeah. In lame word, we will say that it's actually being controlled by certain party too hard. Yeah. So that it's very risky for you to invest in this kind of counter. Yeah. Even they don't know what's the philosophy or what's the actual ongoing behind of it, but then through the chart, actually you can see itself, right? As we always say, the technical chart, it doesn't lies. Yeah, it will show you all the signal, just that are you having the ability to spot the signal. Yeah, from this chart is very simple. You can see. Yeah, this is the first time over here. Let me draw a circle for you. All right, so this is the first time, this is the second time, this is the third time. Yeah, so you can see every time the share price is being pushed until very high, and then in the next few days it's just collapsed. All right, so this repeated for 3 times. Whether will this time repeated as well, I don't know. Yeah, but then you can see that it's not a good bet for you to put on actually. Yeah, because since it's very syndicated counter, then it could up continuously like this for more than 2 weeks, like this for more than 1 week. Then when you want to collapse, it's just the timing of 1 or 2 days. Yeah, as you can see. So don't ever fall yourself into this kind of trap. Yeah, because there's more than 900 counters in our Malaysian market. So why are you you want to pick this kind of counter, right? Just go for those with healthier formations, where the good risk and reward. Yeah, go for those. Yeah, don't fall yourself into this kind of trap. All right. So since this is a daily update, I will keep it short. I think it's around 10 minutes plus or minus. Yeah. So lastly, before I end this video, all right, make sure you if you like my content for today, make sure you like, comment, and share to others, and also most importantly, you subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss our daily updates. Yeah. So tomorrow I will see you in the next tomorrow's video. I will bring you another 2 counters for you in the video. All right. So I'm TA Buplay, your trading buddy. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.